po nag-produce nito?
Produce? But we masuin po from Cebu.
Cebu products?
Yes po.
Lahat po ito Cebu products?
These two wines, ma'am, from Ilocos Norte po. We have the Tapoy, which is the rice wine, and the Big Nai wine, or Bugnay wine.
From
Ilocos Norte.
I mean, from what?
From berries po.
From berries. Fruit wine siya.
Yes po.
Okay. Can you please hold this for me? Thank you.
And the rest, ma'am, from Cebu po. We also have the Cebu Mango Rum.
Marami po akong friends from Cebu.
Barista po, coffee plus vodka.
From with vodka?
Yes po.
So kailangan siya in ice.
Opo.
See? Oh, may power.
Yes po. Medyo spicy lang po siya. Because of the ginger.
Tapang, no?